So that he gets about 7,000 pounds of silver from Charles the Bald, which essentially destroys Charles the Bald's kingship. But he goes back home to Denmark, and the Danish king doesn't want him around because he's too powerful. He's too rich. He's a ring giver. Think Beowulf here, right? He's got this large personal army which wants to join him he can do, they'll follow him, and he is a threat. And so he kind of is encouraged to go elsewhere. He ends up raiding England for something like 15 years. And then there's probably the most famous bit of the story is he's shipwrecked, and King Aella of Northumberland captures him and decides to kill him by throwing him into a pit with vipers. They throw him in this, and the snakes are biting him, but he's got his hairy breeches on, so it's not working. So he's singing a hymn to Odin, and he gets pulled out, and he's asked why he's not dying, and he explains rather foolishly that he has these hairy breeches. So they take the pants off and throw him back, and his last words are, when the boar bleats, the piglets come. By which he means, I have sons, he had 12 of them, and they will avenge me. And they do. They lead the great heathen army to invade and eventually conquer England. Aella, fun fact, not so fun for him, supposedly was captured by the son of Ragnar. His name is Ivar the Boneless, which is somewhat terrifying of a name. And he's the first person that a blood eagle was performed on.
What's the blood eagle?
It's when they remove the lungs. While you're still alive, they cut you open and remove the lungs and put the lungs on your back. Mm-hmm. And then when you try to breathe, they flutter like wings. So it's called like an eagle. It's called the blood eagle.
That is horrible.
It's disgusting. Yes. And this is what Aella, deserves, according to, Bjorn Ironside and Ivar the Boneless, the sons of Ragnar. Like, this is what they get. Revenge. This is the piglets coming.
Yeah.
To the old boar,